Future developments in geospatial law are poised to be significantly influenced by advancements in technologies. Two important technologies that will impact the geospatial community are digital twins and artificial intelligence. Each raise a number of legal issues. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical entities created using real-time data. They are becoming increasingly prevalent across various sectors. These sophisticated models can simulate and predict the behavior of physical objects or systems, such as cities, infrastructure, or even entire ecosystems. The legal implications of digital twins are multifaceted. For example, digital twins rely on vast amounts of real-time data. The accuracy and reliability of digital twins are crucial for their effectiveness. Legal issues related to liability and accountability will arise if decisions based on digital twin simulations lead to adverse outcomes. Defining the extent of liability for errors in digital twin data or simulations will be essential. As with many products and services in the geospatial sector, digital twins incorporate data and technology from multiple sources. This raises questions about intellectual property rights and ownership. In addition, in some cases, personal or sensitive information may be used to create digital twins, raising concerns over privacy or national security. The legal and policy framework surrounding artificial intelligence is poised to significantly impact the geospatial community. One reason is the increasing integration of AI technologies into geospatial operations. Artificial intelligence advancements enable more sophisticated data processing, real-time analytics, and predictive modeling, which can enhance decision-making in various sectors such as urban planning, environmental monitoring, and public safety. As a result, AI is being used to help collect, process, and analyze the vast amounts of geospatial information that is being collected. Laws and policies that develop around AI are likely to have an impact on such uses, particularly in sectors such as healthcare and critical infrastructure, and the selling of products and services to government agencies. However, this integration raises complex legal and policy challenges, including issues of data privacy, security, and intellectual property. The legal framework must address concerns related to the ethical use of AI, ensuring that geospatial data is collected and used in a manner that respects individual rights and complies with existing regulations. Additionally, policymakers will need to consider the implication of AI on data accuracy, liability, and the potential for bias, which can affect the reliability and fairness of geospatial analysis. Given the overlap in the legal issues of concern associated with AI, such as intellectual property rights, privacy, liability, and national security, in geospatial law, the impact of new laws, regulations, and policies are likely to be much bigger to the geospatial community. As AI continues to evolve, it will be crucial for geospatial law to adapt, providing clear guidelines and robust protections to navigate the intersection of these technologies. Increasingly, the geospatial community is touting the capability of geospatial technology to ensure compliance with laws and policies. For example, the use of satellite imagery to monitor greenhouse gas emissions, or for drones to monitor compliance with local land use regulations. However, the use of geospatial technology and information in enforcement actions presents several legal issues that require careful consideration. The geospatial community will need to address concerns about the accuracy and reliability of geospatial information, as enforcement actions based on incorrect or misleading data could lead to wrongful penalties or actions. Courts and government agencies have strict rules regarding the use of technologies and enforcement actions in the courtroom, including chain of custody and authentication. The geospatial community will need to adapt to these rules if they wish for broader use of the technology in the courtroom. They will also need to educate the legal, judicial, and enforcement communities on the strengths and limitations of geospatial information. Issues of jurisdiction and the legality of cross-border data collection will also arise, particularly in cases of international human rights monitoring. For example, there needs to be agreements in place between countries to share information to be used in international tribunals. Furthermore, the transparency and accountability of the entire collecting and use of geospatial data are crucial to ensure that enforcement actions are conducted fairly and justly. Legal frameworks must address these challenges, providing clear guidelines on the permissible uses of geospatial technology and the safeguards necessary to protect the rights of all stakeholders involved. Geospatial law is an emerging area of law pertaining to the collection, use, analysis, storage, and distribution of geospatial information. It is a combination of existing legal issues that are made more complicated due to the nature of geospatial technology, geospatial information, and the geospatial ecosystem, as well as new laws and regulations. It is increasingly important for a geospatial professional to understand these issues, as most lawyers don't understand geospatial, and the legal issues are becoming more important and more complex. This complexity is only going to become more complex as technology advances, applications for geospatial information increase, and new laws and policies are introduced.
We hope you found this course useful.
If so, we encourage you to consider other courses offered by the Academy, which will dive into each of these topics in more detail. Please contact us for further information or if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.